everybody. My name is Rodney Frank with Blue Tiger Insurance. I have the tiger on my shoulder right here, broadcasting live from within the Blue Tiger Studios here in Lone Tree, Colorado. The reason I want to talk to you today about something that's so important is that it's so true, and it's come to light in my life in a big way. I want to talk to you today about insuring your most important asset, which is not your 401k. It's not your home. It's your income, insuring your paycheck. And the reason why that's so important is everything else comes from that. If you don't have a paycheck, you won't have a 401k. If you don't have a paycheck because you're sick and can't work, you will lose your home. Did you know that's the number one cause of both bankruptcy and foreclosure, is not having enough income to pay for the home because you're sick and you can't work, sick or hurt. So that's why it's so important. And it's become so important to me just recently, because I've been a financial advisor since the 80s, and I've only sold a few disability income policies over the years because it's something that's a little different. It's just different enough that most financial advisors, most people don't recommend it. But it's the most important coverage you really can have, because everything else is based upon, like I said earlier, your paycheck. And it really came home for me and my family this past year when my wife was diagnosed with cancer. She's doing fine. The treatments are working, so that's great. But the thing is that her disability income policy that is through her employer, which is a great employer and great plan, only covered a fraction of her bring home income. We're relying completely on my income, and that of course helps, that the tax-free income from that small check, but it's nothing compared to what she used to bring home. And all it would have taken is a small policy to bring her up to 75 to 100% of her bring home pay, and we would be fine financially. So it's very important that you take a look at this to ensure your most important asset. Did you know the chance of, most people think that the chance is just from injury. No, the number one cause of disability is sickness. It's the cancers, it's things like that. So the most important thing you can do is to ensure that, because the chance of having a disability is 25%. In other words, everybody that starts their career in a certain time frame, there's a 25% chance that 1 in 4 will be disabled. That's statistics. That's fact. You have a 1 in 4 chance that you could be the one that gets disabled. So let's talk about that. Let's explore that so that we can make sure that you can sleep at night knowing that your paycheck is fully insured. If you have any other questions, feel free to call the office. Number is 303-353-1333. Blue Tiger, we're here to serve you the way we would want to be served. And our motto is do good, be good, make good. And we really believe in that. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope you found this of interest.